Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I have an interesting geometry puzzle for you. We have a circle, and inside it, two chords intersect at right angles. One segment is 2 units, another is 6 units, and a third one is 3 units. Now, here's the challenge. Can you find the radius of the circle? Take a moment to think about it, and when you're ready, let's solve it together. Let's walk through the solution together. We'll begin with the intersecting chords theorem. It says that when two chords intersect at right angles, the product of the parts of one chord equals the product of the parts of the other. In this diagram, A times B is equal to C times D. Suppose this length is C. According to the theorem, 2 times 6 is equal to 3 times C. Solving this, we get C is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of C. Now, here comes the magic. When two chords intersect perpendicularly inside a circle, there's a beautiful formula that relates the chord segments to the radius. It says 4 times r squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared. Let's plug in the values from our diagram. 4 times r squared is equal to 2 squared plus 6 squared plus 4 squared plus 3 squared. Simplifying, 4 times r squared is equal to 65. Now divide both sides by 4. R squared is equal to 65 over 4. Taking the square root of both sides, r is equal to the square root of 65 over 2, and the approximate value of r is 4.031. That's the radius of the circle. But wait, before you go, here's one more challenge for you. Can you prove this beautiful formula that relates the chord segments to the radius? Take your time, think it through, and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.